Hey guys, can you solve 4 plus 3 squared minus 2 cubed times 1? Okay, 4 plus 3 squared 3 times 3 equals 9 minus 2 cubed times 1. Right? Now 4 plus 9 equals 13 minus 2 cubed times 1. Right? Now 13 minus 2 cubed 2 times 2 times 2 equals 2 times 2 4 and times 2 8, right? 8, right, times 1. Now minus 13 minus 8 equals 5 times 1. Now 5 times 1 equals 5. This is correct, but follow the order of operations. Follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule: multiplication and division from left to right. So multiply first, right? So solve again. 4 plus 3 squared minus 2 cubed 2 times 2 times 2 8, right, times 1. Now multiply 4 plus 3 squared minus 8 times 1 equals 8. Now plus and then minus. 4 plus 3 squared, 4 plus 3 squared equals 9 minus 8. Now 4 plus 9 equals 13 minus 8, and 13 minus 8 equals 5.